Looking for a seamless, efficient solution for automatic wire mesh welding? RKM's automatic wire mesh welding machine is here to transform your production line. With over 20 years of expertise and advanced European technology, RKM delivers automated, wire mesh welding machines designed for high speed, high precision performance. Our machines are engineered to produce flawless mesh with consistent weld quality, meeting the highest industry standards. RKM machines are trusted in over 200 countries, providing reliable, cost-effective solutions for industries like construction, infrastructure, and manufacturing. By combining automation with superior quality control, we help you increase output while reducing labor costs. Featured at leading global exhibitions, RKM's innovation and reliability set us apart. We welcome customers to visit our factory, explore our cutting-edge technology, and receive tailored solutions for their production needs. Beyond sales, RKM's team of expert engineers ensures seamless installation, thorough training, and continuous support, guaranteeing smooth operation from start to finish. Enhance your production with RKM's automatic wire mesh welding machine, where automation meets quality. RKM, your trusted partner in wire mesh welding technology.